Hey, decided to come out to do a quick tour of the garden to see how it looks. Looks like this tomato's putting off flowers, and there's the beans growing, then there's nasturtiums. I planted tons of beans here. I just threw nasturtiums everywhere because I had a bag of seeds and I just put them everywhere. Spread them out. And it looks like my blackberry bush is doing better. It's getting bigger. And as you can see, my garden's still a mess because I've been busy working. Oh, that looks like a bunch of tomatoes and like different things are growing in there that I have to separate. I must have dropped a bunch of seeds right there. Oh, and that's the lemon tree. I can see the lemons forming. This is the lime tree. I don't know if this will do as well or if it'll even still like really alive because it took a while to bury it, but I think that's a strawberry. I'm not sure if that's probably gonna not do very well right there. Here's a little better view of the blackberry bush. Looks like it's doing way better than last year already. And these are the green stalks I put together, but that one fell apart, and that one I just moved over there to be closer after finish putting it together. And in here, this is my asparagus patch, but I have beans, nasturtiums, and who knows what else over there. And then that's another tomato plant. I forgot what the other one is that I just showed you. That might be, I don't remember. Probably said it in another video. But this is another tomato plant with some nasturtiums in there, some beans and peas. Yeah, I called some beans and peas before. Yeah, I don't sound that great because I'm sick. You can see my aloe vera a little bit. Then I have some over there. Yeah, oh, I have some peas flowering right there. Because I planted a ton of stuff. Oh, and then that's my kale. And then I have some curly parsley, some regular parsley. And then that's my lettuce. It's doing a lot better since the last time I showed it. It's getting bigger. Oh, my chard. Oh, that kind of sounds funny when I say, oh, my chard. And that's my lemon balm. That's doing really good, too. Some strawberries. And look at this chard. I had this chard going forever, and I guess it finally just took off where it's growing. I'm going to start harvesting it, like putting it in smoothies and stuff. Oh, and there's some cherries. There's my Sweet 100, I think that's in there. Or, you know, Sun Gold. Wait, that's a Sweet 100. That's a Sun Gold. So that might be a Sweet 100 too. I don't remember. And then there's my oregano. Oh, and there's some lettuce growing. I was hoping for more lettuce to grow. It looks like tomatoes or something. And that lettuce is doing good. I like baby green, so I might start harvesting some of the lettuce. And then my parsley still seems to be doing good over there. And then I have some other parsley and some other things. I have to like really clean up and see what I have, because I don't know everything that's growing. So I have to just do things. Yeah, because these are baby leaves. I can start harvesting that and making salads. More salads are growing. And the chard. I wish I could get a better view on this chard, but because you see that kale, it's so big and it's squeezed in there with some other stuff. I think there's like 2 kale plants in there and a curly parsley. And I still have mint in here, but you can't really see the mint because they're in this black green stalk, mainly in the green stalk, because it was really big, but then it started dying down. And I have to check on it. And then I have some more stuff growing in there too, because I planted stuff in these green stalks too. It just fell over because stuff fell over and I had to put stuff in there. So I'm waiting to see if there's actually seeds in there. And then I'm going to do a seed video. Oh, there's a better view of the chard right there. I don't know what that is. I'm assuming that's chard 2 down there. Or it could be something else growing in between. And then I have a big strawberry over there. Yeah, those roots are really thick. Those stems. Yeah, probably this weekend I'm gonna work on my garden because I'm gonna have a little bit of time this weekend if I feel okay, but I'm feeling a little sick. And these leaves are getting big and thick. And I planted more chard out here because I just put a bunch of seeds in a bag and sprinkled them everywhere. So we won't know what grows until it grows. Yeah, and I still have to take that stuff out and then organize that. And then I'm gonna just put my containers on this shelf and organize stuff. Because I don't know, something came and it was eating at my stuff. So I'm just gonna leave that there and throw away all that soil that's in there because there's like poop in it. But I'm so proud of my garden so far. And I'm hoping to harvest a lot of beans and peas to freeze and have lots of fresh salads and dry a lot of herbs. Yeah, because I'm probably gonna start harvesting this oregano soon so I can dehydrate it and harvest it and have it for the year, because I already started dehydrating the parsley. And then I still have another big parsley plant over here because there's still this big one. It broke, but it's still big. And then there's still that big one over there that's still growing. Yeah. Then I did that video of when I harvest that big bowl of parsley and all my tomatoes are starting to go. But this is just a quick little video, not really a garden tour, but I'll call it a garden tour. Yeah, and some of this stuff I might put one of these pots in front of my front door. Maybe the empty one, I might put some nasturtiums in there. And then I'm gonna do a seed haul soon too, in a video, and clean this up and show you what it looks like. And so keep updating you on the process of that. So if you like, watch and subscribe. I know this is a long video. Bye.